Hello guys, this is Cherry and welcome to my channel. Okay, so for today, ang gagawin po natin is easy and simple makeup look. So paano ko ba ginagawa yung everyday makeup look ko? Ngayon kasi meron kaming pupuntahan, may lalakarin kami today. So naisipan kong i-film na lang yung aking everyday makeup look. So if you are interested, just keep on watching.
So since tapos na akong maglagay ng skincare sa aking mukha, sunod kong gawin is I will put some foundation all over my face. And I am using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. So here I just dotted some foundation on my forehead, cheeks, and chin, and also on my neck. Then I will just blend it using my damp sponge. I really like this foundation because it doesn't make my face sticky and it is really affordable. Next is concealer. I am using L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and this concealer has a full coverage. So if you have dark under eyes, if you have a lot of blemishes and dark spots, this concealer is really good for you. So I just normally applied the concealer to my under eyes, nose bridge, and forehead. Then I will just blend it using my smaller damp sponge. Then I will set the concealer with the loose powder, and I used Nichido Final Powder in Creamy Glow. So dun ko nilalagay yung powder sa under eyes ko, sa nose bridge, and doon sa mga pinaglagyan ko ng concealer kanina. So next is the eyebrows. I used liquid gel from L'Oreal Unbelieva Brow. This is my favorite eyebrow liquid gel because it is really long lasting. If you want to know on how to do your eyebrows, I'm gonna put the link of my eyebrow tutorial in the description box below. I'll just remove the powder using a brush. Then I will set my face using Maybelline Superstay Powder Foundation. Let's move on to the next step, which is the eyebrow and blush on. For my everyday makeup, I am using the Detail Cosmetics Velvet Flush in the shade Lucas. This shade is really perfect for my morena skin. I really love this because this is really easy to blend, cushiony, mousse texture, and lightweight as well. This product is really pigmented, so dapat pa konti-konti lang ang paglalagay ng product sa pisngi. After this, I am curling my eyelashes, then I will apply a mascara. This is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara from Maybelline, and this mascara is really good, especially if you have short eyelashes. So talagang nagmumukhang mahaba yung eyelashes mo at parang nagsuot ka na rin ng false eyelashes if you use this mascara. Then, maglalagay lang ako ng konting highlighter sa aking nose bridge, sa cheeks, and sa forehead, and sa my lips. So for my lippy today, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay, and this lippy is the best because it doesn't transfer to my face mask. So I'm just using a nudish color para mas magmukha lang siyang natural. And for the final step, I set my makeup with a setting spray. So, isa-spray ko lang siya sa buong mukha ko. And then that's it. I'm done with my everyday makeup look.
Okay, so ito na po yung look ko for today and aayusin ko lang yung buhok ko and magbibihis lang ako, then I'll be right back. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much and see you on my next video. Bye bye.